Okay, good morning, my students in Modern Arab Academy School, boys and girls. Today we will practice the vocabulary that are related to shopping. Our lesson is exercises in pupils book, in course book page 24 and in workbook page 10. Okay, now we will answer the questions together. Now let's read here. Mustafa went to the grocer's shop to buy oil. Now this is the red word grocer. Okay, what's the meaning of a grocer? Grocer is بقال. Number 2. Anna will meet me at the supermarket. Supermarket, the red word here. What is the idea? The words in red are related to shopping, and this is our lesson. The words that are related to shopping: supermarket, grocer, trolley, receipt, price tag, and cashier. Right? Now, let's start with the question number 1. What is the idea? Read the question. Uh, Match each word with the correct meaning. Match each word with the correct meaning. The definition of each word. This is the definition, تعريف each word. Now let's start with supermarket, 2 receipt, trolley, price tag, and cashier. Supermarket is supermarket. Number 2 receipt is إيصال أو فاتورة. trolley is عربي. price tag بطاقة للسعر. number 5 cashier صندوق or cashier. In Arabic we use it as cashier. Okay, now what is the correct definition of supermarket? 1. A piece of paper. Is it a paper? No. 2. Someone, شخص who handles payment? No. A label with a price? No. A large shop that sells food, drinks, and things we use it in our houses? Yes, this is a large shop that sells food, drinks, طعام, drinks, مشروبات, and things that we use in our houses. So what is the answer? Supermarket with D. Please match supermarket with D or write D here. Okay, what's the meaning of supermarket in English? A large shop that sells food, drinks, and things we use in our houses. Okay, this is number 1. Number 2, we have receipt. What is receipt? فاتورة أو إيصال. What is the correct word, the correct definition? أكيد A. A piece of paper that says that something has been paid for. ورقة تقول إنه something has been paid for. دفع للشخص، يعني فاتورة أو إيصال. يعني receipt with A. 2 with A. Now trolley, which is trolley? What is the answer? What's the meaning of trolley is عربي، يعني with E. A large metal basket on wheels. On wheels. Okay. Number 4, price tag. Price tag with C. A label with a price. بطاقة للسعر. Price tag, a label with a price. Number 5 and last one, cashier. A person, someone. هيا. A person, someone who handles payment in a shop. Who handles payment in a shop. This is question number 1. Now number 2. circle the correct word given in the brackets. Now, what is the idea here? Okay, this is the answer of the question how we count measure food. Okay, now circle the correct answer. Let's start with number 1. We have a dozen, دزينة, and we have bunch, باقة أو عنقود أو حزمة of eggs. Now, what is the correct answer? Let's see here. We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? أكيد a dozen of eggs. Dozen of eggs. We can't say bunch of eggs. Okay. Number 2, we have 1 liter or kilogram of mustard oil. What do you think? Oil. Can we say kilogram? No. What is the answer? For sure, a liter. A liter of mustard oil. Liter means liter in Arabic of mustard oil. Number 3, we have 1 liter or loaf of bread. What's the meaning of liter? Liter. What's the meaning of loaf? Loaf, رغيف. So what is the correct one with the bread? For sure, a loaf. Loaf of bread. رغيف من الخبز. A loaf of bread. Okay, it's easy. 4, we have a bunch of chocolate. Bar, we can use it as لوح and as شريط. Bunch, باقة of chocolate. What is the correct word? For sure, a bar of chocolate. A bar of chocolate. Okay. Number 5, we have a unit, a pair of scissors. This is scissors, right? Now, what is the answer? Pair, زوج. So, we can use it as pair of scissors. Okay, a pair of scissors. Good. Now, please write the answer, circle the answer in your pupil's book. Okay, now let's go to workbook questions. What is the idea here? We explained before what's the meaning of pharmacist, what's the meaning of baker, florist, fishmonger, and jeweler, right? Now let's read the questions. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. We have pharmacist, صيدلاني, baker, خباز, florist, بائع ورود, fishmonger, بائع سمك, jeweler, صائغ, جواهرجي, بائع ذهب. Okay, now we will fill in the blanks. This is a blank. We will fill from the box. Okay, from the context and from the meaning of the sentence. Number 1, I had to meet the blank to order my birthday cake. طيب, from where we can get cake? From jeweler or fishmonger or florist or pharmacist? For sure, from the baker. I had to meet the baker to order my birthday cake. So what is the answer? Baker. Okay, this is the answer. Number 2, a person who sells fish, يبيع الفش, for food is known as what? It's easy. أكيد fishmonger. بائع السمك. From the meaning, شباب, from the meaning of the sentence. Number 3, the made a lovely gold ring for Mrs. Samuel. Ring, خاتم. This is the key word here. A gold ring. So what is the answer? أكيد jeweler. The jeweler made a lovely gold ring for Mrs. Samuel, right? It's easy. Number 4, we have that gets whatever medicines I want. With medicines دواء أدوية I want from medicine. This is the keyword. What is the answer? For sure, pharmacist. صيدلاني. Pharmacist. Okay. And last one. This sells very beautifully flowers. This is the keyword. Flowers is the keyword. Flowers. يعني for sure florist. The florist sells very beautiful flowers. يعني what is the idea? Here is the key word. So I used baker. Here is fish is the keyword. So I used fishmonger. Here the keyword is ring. So I used jeweler. Here we have medicines, the keyword. So I write pharmacist. Here we have flowers, so I write florist. Okay? Now write the answers in the blanks. Please write the answers and the meaning. Now let's go to question number 2. We have the question. Look at the pictures and fill in each blank with words from the box. We have pictures and we have box. A box here, we explained what is a bucket, a bottle of, a pair of, a head of, a tin of. Okay? What's the meaning of bucket? رزمة. Okay? Or we can use it as bucket in some situation. Okay? A bucket of, a bottle of زجاجة أو قنينة من, a pair of زوج من, a head of رأس من, a tin of علبة and it's علبة حديدية, a tin of. Okay, let's start with one. We have lettuce. What is lettuce? Lettuce means خس. This is lettuce. Okay. So, what is the answer? Can we write a pair of? No. Bottle of? No. Bucket of? No. Tin of? No. So, what is the answer? A head of. A head of lettuce. رأس من الخس. A head of lettuce. From the shape. Okay. Number 2. Imagine that you don't know the meaning of ketchup. Look at the picture. What is this? This is a bottle. So what is the answer? A bottle of ketchup. A bottle of ketchup. Okay. A bottle زجاجة من أو قنينة. A bottle of ketchup. Number 3, we have biscuits. And look at the picture. What is this? This is a bucket of biscuits. A bucket of biscuits. This is the answer. Number 4, pair. This is pair of earrings. So what is the answer? A pair of earrings. A pair زوج من الحلق. A pair of earrings. And last one, what is this? This is 10. So the answer is a tin of baby food. Okay. Here are the exercises from pupil's book and workbook. Question number 1 and 2 here is very important. In the exam, I will give you a question like these questions, okay? Here and here. This is very important questions, okay? And like a pupil's book, here a dozen of egg, liter of mustard oil, loaf of bread. In the exam, I will give you a question like this. Circle the correct answer, okay? Please write the answers. Write the answers here and here. and send me your answers. Okay, and this is the whole thing for today. Please, if you have a question, ask me. And thank you for listening. God bless you all.